how to do airplane mode glitch on Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply play the dice and roll it up and keep doing it, and also noting down the number of moves that you are making with each roll of your dice. Like when I roll this up, just count the moves that you have taken and do it until you hit the railroad. So as soon as you hit the railroad, just simply close down your application of Monopoly Go and uninstall it. Also make sure that you are doing it with your internet off, whether Wi-Fi or your mobile network. Keep it off or the airplane mode on while doing this. So you have no internet on your device when you are doing it for the very first time. So just keep rolling your dice and noticing all the moves right from the very beginning. Note down how many moves that you are moving, and as soon as you hit the railroad, just simply close down your application right in the middle of that particular railroad. Like when your character show up on the screen, just simply close down and uninstall the application. After that, you need to turn on the internet in order to download it, but you can do it on other device as well. Just simply open up Monopoly Go again, but this time make sure that you have your internet connected and your dice or your character will move exactly the same amount of moves or the number of moves that it was moving before. So if you have noted down each and every move, you know exactly where your character will go exactly. So you can play around accordingly and strategize accordingly. You can increase the multipliers and you can just simply know your future in Monopoly Go this way. So that was all about this particular glitch. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.